Hello and welcome to our large cell carcinoma image, which is part of our playlist on lung cancer. Now, how can I get you to remember something large? And I need to be able to put it, whatever it is, in a prison. How about giants? As with all of our lung cancer images, this image takes place in a prison cell, and it probably comes as no surprise that large cell carcinoma is considered a non-small cell lung cancer. But just to stay consistent, we've added our non-small cell double bed. This cell is non-small. It's big enough for two. And notice that we've placed a pillow near the periphery of the bed. That's because large cell carcinoma is peripheral and not central. But enough about the boring stuff. Let's get to the meatier facts. Wait, did you say meaty? Oh, are you in for a surprise? I hope you have a strong stomach. Now take a look at the prisoners in this scene. 3 large giants. Notice how they are all wearing distinct outfits and look different from one another. You might say they are pleomorphic. And that's because on histology, large cell carcinoma is characterized by pleomorphic giant cells. Now let's take a look at the star of our scene, a normal-sized human. I think it's safe to say that his prognosis is poor. That's because large cell carcinoma is a highly anaplastic, undifferentiated tumor. Prognosis may be poor, but we'll obviously still treat it. So what do? See the big knife in one of the giant's hands? This should help you remember that large cell carcinoma is removed surgically. That's because this cancer type is less responsive to chemotherapy. Finally, for the kicker, you need to remember that pleomorphic giant cells can secrete beta-HCG. HCG stands for human chorionic gonadotropin, and we at Pixarize like to symbolize this as human chorizo. Get it? Human choreo, human chorizo? Just look at that meat grinder. Wow, that's morbid. But I bet you'll never forget it. Our poor human here is about to get turned into human chorizo. It's actually considered a delicacy by most giants. And that's all we've got for large cell carcinoma. Like our little human friend here, it has a poor prognosis courtesy of some giant cells. In all seriousness though, it's a pretty easy cancer type as there are only a handful of facts you need to know. Now let's get out of here before we get turned into human chorizo too.